welcome to my YouTube channel SK Law Classes. So here in this video I am going to share with you a few questions of the subject of principle of statutory interpretation. So friends, firstly I want to tell you that if you have not gone through my earlier videos which has been made on the basis of other subject, so firstly go through it. And this video is being made on the basis of PCP classes conducted by the university and on the basis of last year important papers. So friends, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment and give your views, as I'm getting views from my friends and one of the many subscribers that please upload videos with sample of answers of LLM subjects. I will upload soon, very soon, on the other subjects of all the solutions also. So please friends, let's start today's video from unit 1. These are the important questions of unit 1. Like we see, first question is statute must be read as a whole in its context, comment and explain in detail with the help of relevant case law. It has been noted twice because it has been asked 2 times in the earlier examination. Now second question is rule of interpretation are like tools of carpenter or sculptor. Third is if meaning is plain, effective must be given to its irrespective of consequences, comment and discuss in detail with the support of case law. Now next is question with respect to literal construction. Next is with respect to golden construction, and next is mischief construction. We must write with reference case law, and these are 5 important questions of unit 1. Now we come to unit 2. First topic is internal aids to construction. Question asked first is what do you mean by internal aids to construction? Discuss preamble as an internal aid to construction. Second is explain the following by giving suitable illustration and case laws. In this support, preamble, interpretation of clauses, marginal notes and schedules. Next is ejusdem generis. And the next is certain maxims which you must have read in the LLB also. Now the very important question is interpretation of constitution. Like question asked is examine in brief the different principles which are generally used by courts to interpret the constitution or discuss in detail the fundamental rules for the interpretation of constitution with the help of case law. So friends, you can take screenshot of these important questions of unit 1 and unit 2 and the next unit 3 and 4 which is coming soon in the subsequently. So now the first and last is very important questions of this unit 2. Friends, these are the important questions of unit 3. Like first main heading is external aids to construction, which contains mainly 3 questions. Like explain in brief the external aids which are helpful or dictionaries or discuss the importance of parliamentary history of the statutes. Second is main heading is codifying and consolidation statutes. Third is mandatory and directory provisions, and the fourth is commencement and repeal of statutes. So friends, you see there are mainly only 4 topics which are very important for the examination point of view, and you have to must go through on these 4 topics, out of which 2 questions will be given in the examination and you have to attempt only 1 question. So friend, these are the only 4 important questions from unit 3 of the subject of principle of statutory interpretation. Let's come unit 4. Now we come to unit 4. So friend, these are the important questions of unit 4. Like you see, first question is beneficial and liberal construction. Second important is construction of remedial and penal statutes. And the third is, which has been come many times in the last examination, is taxing statutes. Fourth is presumption as to jurisdiction of the courts. Next topic is construction to prevent evasion and abuse. And the last is important question is with respect to judicial activism. What do you mean by judicial activism? Judicial activism cannot be judicial anarchism. What are the parameters of reasonable judicial activism? So friend, these were the important questions from unit 4. So friends, you can take screenshot of all these 4 units and go through all the important questions. So friends, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your other friends who are pursuing for LLM. So friends, I hope you like this video and please give your support. I need your support. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.